You are all planned, you have taken a step last year to prepare for this UPSC examination. Last year means yesterday. So the key to success in this UPSC examination is one thing which is very important, which I call it as a time management. Is it not? Is it not, people?
Yes, sir.
Time. So now we will discuss how we will manage this time. Okay? Can we create time? Can we create time, people? Just I'm asking. I'm curious to know. I don't know many things. Can you destroy time?
Yes, sir.
How this is possible? You tell me. If you can't create this time, how can you destroy this time? But just I'm just trying to think. I myself do not know. Okay? Yeah. People say no, நிறைய டைமை வேஸ்ட் பண்ணிட்டேன், டைமை விரைமாக போச்சு, வேஸ்ட்டாக பண்ணிட்டேன்னு சொன்னால், that means you are believing in something which is called you can destroy the time, but you are not believing in something which is called you create a time. How is it possible? Just let me give some idea. Means you give some idea to me. Ma, if you create time, you can destroy it. If you can't create time, you can't destroy it. See, there are two components here. Time per se, which we call it as a kala. In history, we call it as a kala. Kala means time, you must know. Kala means black, kala means death, kala means time. அதுக்கு நிறைய connotations இருக்கு காலானா. புரியுதுல? Time is always progressive in one direction. That is the nature of time, progressive. It always goes in one direction. It never goes backwards. It never stops. This is the feature of this time, physics time. When I use the word time, in physics we say that the time always travels in a positive direction. It doesn't slow down, it doesn't fast, but it goes. You can't pass time. Pass, P-A-U-S-E. Is it not? You can't pass time. You can't slow down time, you can't make it faster. Time is constant variable, they say. Einstein said time is constant. Okay. Sir, but we can slow it, we can fast it. For a reality, Einstein says, yeah, you can slow the time, you can fast the time. How you can slow and fast the time? For example, Einstein gave this simple example. You are sitting in front of this fire in a very hot room, in front of this fire. For you, 1 hour sitting in this fire may look like 3 hours. Is it not? For example, you are sitting in some class. Okay, 1 hour class looks like 5 hours class for you. Is it not? Yes or no? So, for your reality, this is 5 hours. But in physics wise, this is 1 hour only. Sir, similarly, the vice versa is also true. Sir, you are sitting near your girlfriend for 5 hours. It looks like just 1 hour for you, maybe less than that. Is it not? This I did not frame all this. Okay, somebody has said. So, if you are doing something which you like, the time variable increases or decreases based on that. But the physics time is constant. That is the point which I was telling. Physics time is constant. For example, the examination preliminary which you have to write is on which day? Okay, preliminary. This is same. Are we understanding that? This is not going to change. இது அன்னைக்கு முடிவாயிடுச்சு. புரிஞ்சாலே உங்களுக்கு? But sir, this relative time can be changed. Relative time. You can make the time available more, you can take the time more efficient, more useful. Is it not? First, constant factor is constant, but there is a variable factor in the time. What is that variable factor? How you see the time, like that the time behaves. Sir, in 1 hour to a new IAS officer, இன்னைக்கு தான் இப்போ ஜாயின் பண்ணியிருக்கான் ஃபீல்டில், 1 hour to another IAS officer, senior IAS officer who is a secretary level IAS officer, are the outputs the same? No. So, time may be constant this 1 hour, but again it is becoming variable based on the individual. Based on the individuals. Sir, how this is possible? That only we will see. Okay, how we can not create time, we cannot destroy time, we can do something which is called manage time. We say something which is called manage. I could manage time. Sir, the per day, the total time availability for everybody is constant, which is 24 hours. Is that correct? This I cannot change. This is a constant. So, time has got a constant factor which you can't change. In this 24 hours, first, first priority, most important, that we will bring, which is sleep. Okay, which is sleep. How much time we should give for the sleep? So let us keep it slightly variable. No, let us say 6 to 7 hours I will put. Is that okay? Okay. Plus let us say I will add with this food all other, no, your activities like bathing, all these things, no, food plus what I will say, etc. etc. I will put, you put whatever you want. 3 I will put. Okay. Third, then what else is more important than these two? But I will put one thing which is more important, is something which is called exercise. See, what is this exercise you call? Exercise, basically man by nature is a person who is have to do some physical activity. He has to do this physical activity to get this food. But now since food is served in your plate, you are not doing this physical activity. Since the food is already served, everybody compromises on this exercise. As a result, his mind, his body never works to the 100% capacity. If your mind and body need to work 100% like a human being, I am speaking here like a human being only, he has to work 100% efficiency. Definitely 1 hour you have to allow your lungs to breathe in, breathe out, your muscles has to stretch in, okay, contraction, expansion, walking, then your mind will be brisk and active. Adnala exercise pannunga, then you will realize the 100% potential of your mind and body. Purinchila? If your mind is, body is 100%, then we can do more work. Is it not? Then the fourth. Now first, how much time we should allot for this? It depends. Okay. So let us put 1.5 hours, no? Your mind will be becoming efficient. So there are two components. One is mind, another is body. So I will not go to the next component also. Sir, without doing this, if you are touching on this, this will be affected. Most of the UPSC aspirants fall sick because of this problem. This is very important. Pay due attention to this. Okay. Now calculate how much hour we have taken. 11 hours, no? Then I will put one more, communication. Communication. Let us put this as 1.5 to 2 hours. I am giving maximum 2 hours. You spend 2 hours. Next comes the biggest problem is, for all these people, for the UPSC aspirant, this should stop here. This should stop roughly between 11 to 12 hours. I am putting maximum 13 hours. 12 hours oda ellame mudinjirno. Sir, rest of the 12 hours only for study, class, test, ellame adula mudino. Now for people who are not attending the class and all, the 12 hours is a blessing. They can do self study. How to do that, we will discuss in the Bodhisattva, because a lot of people are there in the Bodhisattva wanting this 12, having these 12 hours, not knowing what to do. But for you, the 12 hours is properly already managed. It is already managed. You have class. Is it not? How many hours class per day? 4. Class 4 hours we give. Optionals, let us say even 2 hours. Okay. So 6 hours class for you. Then test, let us say 2 hours. Okay, in a week if you calculate, that also I am telling. So coming to a class is an advantage, because you will find 12 மணி நேரம் கிளாஸ் எல்லாம் முடிஞ்சதுக்கப்புறம் உங்களுக்கு தெரிய வரும், கிளாஸ் போகும்போதுன்னா அது ஏதோ படிச்சுட்டு இருந்தமே, ஒன்றுமே படிக்காமல் இருக்குமேன்னு தோணும் உங்களுக்கு. இது வருஷம் நடக்கக்கூடிய ஃபினாமினா தான். Who bothers? The 7 hours of sleep you divide it into 6 hours plus 1 hour. Always off means in the mid of the day 1 hour you rest. 1 hour you rest your body. Rest means not sleep, just lay down. Even in your room, when you are studying, for 10 minutes you rest, lay down in the bed. When you are studying for 2 hours continuously, 1.5 to 2 hours, rest in the bed for 10 minutes. Just close your eyes, just relax. இது ஏதோ 100 மீட்டர் ரேஸ் கிடையாது. காலை 3 நாள் தூங்கல, படித்தேன், கோல்டு மெடல் வாங்கிட்டேன் அப்படிங்கிறான். இந்த 6 hours, 1 hour you have to allot for newspaper. It is a must. Newspaper. It is a must. That's it. 1 hour to 1.5 hours. Okay. If you are reading every day, sir, next, sir, definitely 2 hours you have to give for revision of what is all done in the class. 100%. This is a must. Sir, Now how much time is left? 2 hours. 1 hour is gone. How many? Around 2 to 3 hours. Sir, if you are not going to complete this class revision in 2 hours, you can allot this in 3 hours. Rest of the 2 hours should be focused for test on Sunday. So test is not to test you, I already told you, it is again a learning tool. So go through all this, and per day, if you are spending your time like this 6 hours should be spent like this: revision in the class, newspapers, plus towards the test. Or towards the test 2 hours, revision 3 to 4 hours you give. Whatever is done in the class 3 to 4 hours, you have to compulsory revise. If you are not revising what we have done in the class, it will be forgotten. So this is how we will manage the time. And some people are super intelligent. In 2 hours, they will do what all people have done in 4-5 hours. That happens out of practice. See, Bodhisattva you allot 40 minutes somewhere. In the study time, 40 நிமிஷம் Bodhisattva allot பண்ணுங்க. Answer writing 15 to 20 minutes. That's it. 1 hour you allot for Bodhisattva. Every day spend 15 to 20 minutes for writing an answer. So means the practice will start. And this could be done if you do 100% focus, and if you just keep all your preparations there, you could do this. And if you deviate in this scheduled, at least 3 days if you deviate, you will have a backlog for 1 month to solve. This is a big, cat and mouse game. So here you have to be totally well planned, meticulously planned, highly focused. Planned and highly focused. 10 minutes also you should not waste. Be happy, do whatever, because the schedule is highly relaxed, but always your mind should be focused on the examination, thinking about the examination, clearing. You should believe that you are clearing. And we know that the end is guaranteed and the end is there in the clear future. UPSC preparation அப்படி நீங்க feel பண்ணணும். Like this you have to feel. You should not be detached from the end to the means. There is no detachment. There is no detachment. You should not be bothered about too much about the end, but the end is also a part of the means. Means is also a part of an end. So this is how life it will change. You have to believe, you have to constantly, you have to revise. You should get happiness in reading every day. You have to have an happiness in completion. Otherwise you will have a weightage in regret. ஒரு பாரத்தை தூக்கிட்டே இருப்பீங்க, இதை கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணல, அதை கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணல, நியூஸ் பேப்பர் படிக்கல, போதிசத்துவ போடல, டெஸ்ட் மார்க் வரல. ஒரு பாரத்தை தூக்குறது ஒரு டைப் ஆஃப் ப்ரிப்பரேஷனு. இன்னைக்கு நியூஸ் பேப்பர் முடிச்சிட்டேன், ஆஹா அவ்வளோ ஒரு மகிழ்ச்சி இல்லை. இன்னைக்கு கிளாஸ் கரெக்டாக முடிச்சிட்டோம், நடந்ததெல்லாம் புரிஞ்சிடுச்சு, ரிவிஷன் பண்ணியாச்சு. தட் இஸ் அன் ஹாப்பினஸ். போதிசத்துவ ஒரு ஆன்சர் போட்டாச்சு, பரவாயில்ல ஒரு. ஸோ பை கம்ப்ளீஷன் ஆஃப் ஈச் அண்ட் எவ்ரி ஸ்மால் டாஸ்க் யூ கெட் ஹாப்பினஸ். தட்ஸ் ஹவ் யுவர் கோல் ஷுட் பி. And everything is doable. Everything is doable. It's all ordinary people who clear this examination will be knowing. All ordinary people. இங்கிலீஷே தெரியாதவன், பள்ளிக்கூடத்தை ஆங்கில பள்ளிக்கூடத்தை படிக்கட்ட ஏறாதவன், சென்னையே பார்க்காதவன், டெல்லியே பார்க்காத நம்ம ஸ்டூடெண்ட் எத்தனை பேர் சர்வீஸ் வாங்கியிருக்காங்க உங்களுக்கு தெரியுமா? டெல்லியே ஃபஸ்ட்டு இன்டர்வியூக்கு தான் போகிறாங்க. ஸோ the possibility of success is tremendous. And it's all ordinary people who clear this examination. இதுக்கு என்ன எக்ஸ்ட்ராடினரி ஸ்கில்ஸும் தேவையில்லை. ஆனால் இதுக்கு ஒரு நல்ல ஒரு பாசிட்டிவ் மைண்ட் செட் தேவை. படிப்புங்கிறது ஒரு பாயிண்ட் தான், அது ஒரு பாசிட்டிவ் மைண்ட் செட் தேவை. இஃப் யூ ஹேவ் எ பாசிட்டிவ் மைண்ட் செட் யூ வில் கிளியர். ஸோ பி பாசிட்டிவ், கீப் ப்ரிப்பேரிங், டைம் வில் பி அண்டர் யுவர் கண்ட்ரோல். ஓகே, டோன்ட் வேஸ்ட் டைம். Number 1 on social media. Number 2 on unnecessarily debating, arguing with your friends. Don't fight, don't argue, it is not so important. Don't try to prove yourself to anybody. It is not at all needed. Focus on yourself, focus on your preparation. Think every day you are walking one step towards your goal, and it is a reality.